destroy it. Look at this lips. It is how it sucks human blood. Hey. Mercy for you, my dear lids. I'm going to remove you from the face of the earth. Okay, bye bye. The fresh flowing of the brook. Look, see, so clear, pure. Way we are going to tread on. Solomon is leading the way. This is a very stiff uphill in the middle of the jungle, and it is the way leading to our farm, King Chili Farm of Crazy Beauty team. Hello Solomon, how do you feel the difference between the California lifestyle and the rural Indian lifestyle? This is the way how we earn and we live. These things make us crazy. It's really crazy. Crazy beauty. Beautifully crazy. See, he is spending his sweat, which is much better than the electrified gym. So you see the very beautiful dried stem of the tree. See, on my ankle, the biting of a leech, and attacked by a leech, a parasitic sucker.
Hey, don't have one cuốn gì Red gooseberry tree die here. Climbing. Day by day.
Every day, because it is just main road. That is why every passes by used to climb up and have a taste of it. See, this is red in color, which is known as red gooseberry. Okay, last. This is the last one. Red in color. Come on, see. Red in color. Okay.